Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into some exciting developments in the Android world. You might have heard the buzz around Android 17 Beta 3, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on one of its standout features. So, Android 17 is bringing more blur to the system UI, and this is a direct evolution of the translucency trend we saw in Android 16. Now, what makes this really interesting is the subtle shift in user experience it offers. Imagine opening an app and seeing your wallpaper blurred in the background. It's a small detail, but it adds a sense of depth and continuity, almost like a cinematic effect. Personally, I think this is a brilliant way to enhance the overall user interface without being too flashy. The blur effect is now applied to various elements, like the widget picker, where you can see your home screen icons blurred behind the scene. This is a significant change from the solid color backgrounds we're used to. What many people don't realize is that these subtle design choices can have a big impact on the overall user experience. It's like a breath of fresh air, making the interface feel more dynamic and modern. Now, one thing that immediately stands out is the app launch transition. When you open an app, the blur effect kicks in, but it's so fast that you might miss it. This raises a deeper question: is this change purely aesthetic, or does it serve a functional purpose? Well, according to Google, it's about providing a sense of depth and keeping users aware of background apps. I find this approach fascinating because it shows how design choices can influence user behavior and perception. Android 17 Beta 3 also brings some other notable features, like expanded dark theme controls and multitasking bubbles. These additions indicate a broader trend of customization and user control, which is always a welcome development. From my perspective, Android is really stepping up its game in terms of user experience and design, and these subtle visual enhancements are just the tip of the iceberg. In the bigger picture, these design choices reflect a shift towards more immersive and visually appealing interfaces. It's not just about functionality anymore, it's about creating an experience. What this really suggests is that Android is moving towards a more intuitive and aesthetically pleasing design language, and I can't wait to see how this evolves in future releases. So, stay tuned, folks, because the world of Android is getting more exciting by the day.